Hi, this is the Google Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to mute notification sounds on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute notifications you should mute this volume panel. But by this way you'll mute not only your notifications but also the ringtones. So let's just unmute this volume panel, scroll to default notification sound and tap to my sounds. Switch your currently sound to none, tap to save on the right upper corner, and by this way we'll mute our notifications but we'll stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.